Alright folks, let's talk Prius. Specifically those pesky error codes P0852 and C2315. Don't worry, you don't need to be a mechanic to understand this. Code P0852 pops up when your Prius suspects a problem with the park, neutral switch input circuit. This little switch tells your car if it's in park or neutral. Pretty important, right? Now code C2315 is a bit more specific to the hybrid system. It indicates an issue with the voltage supply sensor circuit. This sensor monitors the voltage going to the hybrid battery. Seeing these codes? Don't panic, let's troubleshoot this together. Before we dive into the complex stuff, let's start simple. Your Prius, like any other car, has a regular 12-volt battery. This battery powers things like lights, windows, and importantly, the computers that throw these error codes. Grab your trusty multimeter, set it to DC voltage and connect the red probe to the positive terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal of your battery. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts. Anything significantly lower, your battery might be the culprit. Try charging it or replacing it. You can find affordable batteries online or at your local auto parts store. Remember that P0852 code? It often points to the park position switch. This switch lives on the transmission and tells your Prius when it's safe to start. First, locate the switch. It's usually on the side of the transmission, near the shift linkage. Disconnect the electrical connector and have a good look. Check for any loose or corroded wires. Corrosion can disrupt the signal, causing the error code. Clean any corrosion with electrical contact cleaner. If the wires look damaged, you might need to replace them. Section 4. Engine Control. Step 3. Examining the ECU and wiring. Now let's investigate the C2315 code, which points to a possible issue with the engine control unit, or ECU, and related wiring. The ECU is like the brain of your Prius. Locate the ECU. It's usually under the hood, often near the battery. Check all the wiring connections going to the ECU. Make sure they are clean, tight, and free of corrosion. Loose connections can disrupt communication between the ECU and the voltage supply sensor, triggering the error code. If you find any loose connections, carefully tighten them. Section 5. Code Clear. Fixing and clearing the codes. If you followed all the steps and everything checks out, it's time to clear the codes. You'll need an OBD2 scanner for this. Connect the scanner to the OBD2 port under your dashboard, usually on the driver's side. Turn on the ignition but don't start the engine. Use the scanner to read and then clear the error codes.